Shell accounts. If you want to become a good computer hacker, you need a shell account. If you want to practice using cool Unix tools and utilities, you need a shell account. So let us now create our own shell account. You need to start your browser and connect to the website called sdf.lonestar.org. This is what the website looks like. I'm going to click on this icon or the photograph. It's kind of slow. Now once you're at the home page, you need to then click on the join link on the left hand side top corner. It says create your own free shell account via telnet to sdf.lonestar.org. So let me start the telnet application. Start, run, and type the command telnet sdf.lonestar.org. So let's wait for the connection to get established. Now this can take a very long time. There you go. It says if new, login new. So I type in new as a login. It says you will now be connected to the new user make account server. Please log in as new when prompted. This may take a moment. Press enter and wait. You will have to be extremely patient because this thing can take a very long time. So let's wait for an output to be displayed on the screen. Finally, you get a response. If new, login new. So I'm going to type new. Press enter. It says, are you using Windows 2000 or XP? I'm going to type yes. It says, please press your backspace key. Now it says type make account to create your own Unix shell account. So I'm going to type MKACCT and press enter. It says you're about to create a Unix shell account. This account may be unlike anything you have used before. We urge you to carefully read all the text displayed on your terminal as it will aid you in your learning. We also encourage you to try out all new commands and utilities, games, applications, and instantly sort of learn everything as quickly as possible. First, you need to choose a login. So in this case, I'm going to type in a login ID for myself. It has to be between 1 to 8 characters in length and can be composed of alphanumeric characters. I'm going to type Fadia Ankit. Press enter. It says exceeded 8 characters, truncating. Congratulations, you have picked a clean user ID. This means that this login ID is available. Continue, yes or no. I'm going to type yes. Press enter. Well, the terms and conditions get displayed. Just type yes. You don't really need to read through all this. Press enter. By agreeing and accepting a policy, we trust you will follow it. Thank you for being responsible. Press enter. 8 very simple questions. Your full name. You can type your full name. I'm just going to type Fadia Ankit. Press enter. Year of birth. Enter your year of birth. I was born in 1985. Press enter. Postal zip code. So I'm going to type 94309, which is my California zip code. Are you a university faculty member or student? Yes. Are you an amateur radio operator? No. No. Play games? Well, you could click yes or no. Would you like to use features for the orally or visually impaired? No. Where did you hear about SDF? Internet. You can type afceh course. Create this account. It just lists a summary. Type yes. Now it is going to ask you to enter a password. Be very careful as to what you type. And it says no one, not even an administrator, should ever need to ask you for your password. If somebody does, just ignore them. So I'm going to type in a new password. I'm going to retype that. Creating login, please wait. Negotiating. So right now your account application is being processed. This could take maybe less than a minute. So let's be patient and wait. It says established, sending update, please wait, negotiating. and within a few seconds it's gonna actually allow you to actually for the first time log into and access your shell account. Established. Creating your directories. It says welcome to the SDF Fadia Ankit. To continue you gotta press enter. It basically now asks you to basically go through all the instructions carefully. It is now asking to enter your password. Enter the same password that was used when you created your account. Press enter. Press the backspace key. And now you're ready to start your shell account. This is just a fancy graphic. Press enter. Now this is your shell prompt. This is where all the Unix commands or all the shell account commands can be typed. I'm a beginner, so I'm going to type help. Press enter. And all different commands that are available get displayed. And if you don't mind, for the next few minutes, I'm just going to play around with the various commands. Just watch carefully whatever I'm typing on the screen. So I'm going to type the what command. What all can you do with this account? So you can play games, applications, and stuff like that. I'm going to type help again. And now I'm going to try and find out what Unix commands are available to me. So I type Unix, press enter. So as you can see, a variety of different Unix commands are available to me on this shell account. I press enter again, and more commands get displayed in the output. Press enter again, and now all commands have been displayed. So let us now play around with some of the Unix commands that are available to us. Let me see what I can do for you today. I'm going to try to use ping from the shell account. Since I'm using the shell account, my IP address will not be recorded by hackingmobilephones.com. So it's completely anonymous. Press enter. Well, actually, let me make this full screen so all of you can see the commands properly. Where did the full screen option go? Click on OK, OK, and it becomes full screen. Now what I like to do is, since all of you already know how to create your own shell account, and you know how the basic working of the shell account is, for the next maybe 3 or 4 minutes, I'll be experimenting, I'll be playing around with a variety of different shell account commands, utilities, and tools. And I'll just request all of you to follow the screen extremely carefully, because I'm not going to actually explain what all I'm going to do, because it's just more fun if I just do it as quickly as possible. So just follow the screen very carefully, and I think most of it is quite self-explanatory.